Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are painting and drawing a cute ice cream. This is black marker. Now we will draw a cute ice cream, tasty ice cream, yay! Let's draw. Step by step follow how I am drawing. Then you are also able to draw. Yes, like that. This is the cup. This is the cup. Cute ice cream, yes. And this is are the two big eyes. Cute eyes. Yes, like that. This is the mouth. Now we will make the cute eyes. How? Look at how I am draw. Always drawing slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Look at. Fill the blanks. Yes, so cute. Now we are draw a straw. This is the straw. Yes, like that. Follow how I am drawing. If you follow step by step, then you are also able to draw. Yay! This is our ice cream cube. Tasty ice cream. Yay! I wanna eat ice cream. I wanna eat ice cream. Yay! I wanna eat ice cream. Now let's learn the colors name. This is our colors. Green color, brown color, yellow color, red color, dark yellow color, orange color, purple color. Let's paint the cute ice cream. Yay! This is brown color. Which color, friends? This is brown color. This is the color of cup. This is the brown color. Yay! Now we are paint the cup. The cute ice cream cup. Yay! And this is the dark orange color. Yay! Dark orange color. Yay! And this is the yellow color. Yellow ice cream cube. Yes! Yellow ice cream cube. And this is the purple color, purple ice cream cube. Yay! And this is the red color, red ice cream cube. Yay! Tasty ice cream. This is the light yellow color. Light yellow color also for the eyes, cute eyes. And now this is the green color. And last, this is the purple color. Yay, tasty ice cream. I wanna eat ice cream. And this is the red for straw patches. Yay, like that. And this is the dark yellow color. Thank you, little friends.